In this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas about why it's beneficial to use several different types of turkey calls on your turkey hunt. So stay tuned.
The wild turkey has a unique language all its own, and they can be quite vocal, especially during the spring mating season, which also coincides with the primary turkey hunting season in many states throughout the country. When you're going after a crafty gobbler, there are many different calling strategies that you can use. But no matter what kind of calls you utilize, it can be very effective to make those calls on a variety of different calling devices, individually and even at the same time. As an example, I use three main calling devices when I head to the turkey woods: a slate call, a box call, and a diaphragm call. Each of these calls has a different tone, a different level of volume, a different overall character, and most importantly, a different frequency. Sometimes a turkey that I'm trying to call in will completely ignore me when I use a diaphragm call, and then sound off immediately when I switch to a box call or a slate call, and sometimes it happens the other way around. The bottom line is that you just never know what sound, and especially what frequency, will make a gobbler respond, as every bird can be different. Thus, it's always important to have several different calling devices with you and know how to use them well. Also, another tactic that you can use when you have several different calls is to sound like several different birds. As another example, if I have a gobbler who doesn't want to come in, I'll often sweeten the deal by trying to sound like not just one lone hen, but rather a whole flock of hens. I'll run my slate call while using a diaphragm call for a few sequences, and then I'll immediately switch over to using my box call along with my diaphragm call to sound like a whole bunch of different birds. And depending on the situation, I'll sometimes finish that sequence with a gobble call to try to make that tom jealous. Using multiple calls in this manner is also a very effective tactic for fall hunting situations when I'm trying to sound like a whole flock of turkeys that are feeding or milling around in the area. So there you have it, my friends. That's some turkey calling tips for you to try out on your next hunt. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com. And finally, if you'd like to support this channel, click on the link in the video description below to find out more.